Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Fantasy Hub, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into a full review of the Oppo F27, a smartphone that's been making waves for its durability. This phone has been the talk of the town, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. The Oppo F27 is not just another smartphone, it's a statement piece. With its sleek design and robust build, it promises to be a game-changer in the world of durable smartphones. But the big question is it truly the most durable phone out there? Can it withstand the daily wear and tear that most of us put our phones through? Let's find out. We're going to put this phone through a series of rigorous tests to see if it can handle the pressure. Right off the bat, the Oppo F27 stands out with its premium design. It's not just about looks, it's about functionality and durability. It's got a sleek, matte finish that resists fingerprints, which is a huge plus for those of us who hate smudges on our screens. The phone comes in stunning colors like midnight black and sapphire blue, adding a touch of elegance to its robust build. And it's just 7.8 millimeters thin, making it easy to handle and slip into your pocket without any hassle. But don't let its elegant look fool you. This phone is built like a tank. The phone is crafted with a reinforced aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass 6, providing it with a sturdy and durable build. This combination gives it a reputation for being one of the toughest phones in its class. We're going to test this claim thoroughly. Now let's talk durability. This is where the Oppo F27 really shines. The Oppo F27 has been put through multiple drop tests and it has come out with flying colors. It passed multiple drop tests from heights of up to 1.5 meters with minimal damage. This is impressive considering most phones would crack or shatter under similar conditions. It's also IP68 water and dust resistant, which means it can handle accidental spills and even short immersions in water without any issues. We submerged the phone in water for a few minutes, and it came out unscathed. This is a huge relief for those of us who are prone to accidents. In a scratch test, the phone's display held up impressively against keys and coins, thanks to its Gorilla Glass 6 protection. We dragged keys and coins across the screen, and there were no visible scratches. This is a testament to the durability of the Gorilla Glass 6. This is a device built for the clumsy among us. If you're someone who frequently drops their phone, the Oppo F27 is a great choice. Durability is great, but what about performance? A durable phone is only as good as its performance. The Oppo F27 features a 6.5-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means you get vibrant colors, deep blacks, and buttery smooth scrolling. The display is perfect for streaming, gaming, or just scrolling through social media. The colors are vibrant and the blacks are deep, making for an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching your favorite shows or playing high-demand games, the Oppo F27 delivers a seamless experience. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. This combination ensures that everyday tasks are a breeze, and even demanding apps like gaming run smoothly with minimal lag. We tested the phone with multiple apps running in the background, and it handled everything with ease. There was no noticeable lag or slowdown. Now let's talk cameras. The camera setup on the Oppo F27 is nothing short of impressive. The Oppo F27 boasts a 64-megapixel triple camera setup on the back. This setup allows you to capture stunning detail in your photos. It captures stunning detail in daylight, and its night mode significantly enhances low-light shots. We took several photos in different lighting conditions, and the results were consistently impressive. For selfie lovers, the 32-megapixel front camera delivers crisp and natural-looking selfies. The front camera is perfect for capturing those Instagram-worthy shots. Oppo's AI beauty filters are subtle, keeping your shots Instagram-ready without going overboard. The filters enhance your features without making you look unnatural. Durability also extends to battery life, and the Oppo F27 doesn't disappoint in this area either. With a 4,800 mAh battery, you can easily go a full day with moderate use. We tested the battery life with various activities and it held up remarkably well. Even better, the phone supports 67-watt SuperVOOC charging, taking it from 0 to 100% in under 40 minutes. This is a game changer for those of us who are always on the go. Say goodbye to long charging times. With SuperVOOC charging, you can get a full charge in no time. This means you can spend more time using your phone and less time waiting for it to charge. So, is the Oppo F27 the most durable phone? It's definitely a strong contender. With its robust build, excellent performance, and impressive features, It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a smartphone that can handle life's bumps and scrapes. Priced at around $450, it's a solid mid-range option that punches above its weight in durability and functionality. This phone offers great value for money, and that wraps up our full review of the Oppo F27. We hope this review has given you a comprehensive look at what this phone has to offer. What do you think? Is this the most durable phone you've seen? Or do you have another favorite? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us improve and bring you the content you want to see. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and tech updates.